I'm going to demonstrate how to clean your printer bag before you start printing. So I grabbed a paper towel, and then this is rubbing alcohol, and just put a little bit of rubbing alcohol on the paper towel, just like this. Then close your rubbing alcohol, and this part, this magnet, only the magnet, just pull it that way up and pull it out. And then grab this and hold it flat, otherwise you will make this dirty, so you'll have to clean it all again. So then just rub your thing over it, your rubbing alcohol, until it's been all over the magnet. Then after it has been all over the magnet, insert the magnet back into here. And never clean it while this is printing because it will ruin your printer.